This is a review of the magnetic slim case for your iPhone 17 Pro Max that is compatible with the MagSafe, and it's a clear frosted ultra thin frameless borderless material case that we are going to be doing a unboxing review on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we are going to be putting onto a test to. And this unboxing review, we're going to show you guys what you get inside, and we are going to test this out on my iPhone 17 Pro Max. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside. Okay, so here's the case, and I have it installed on my iPhone 17 Pro Max. That is in a deep blue finish, and they do have different color options that you could choose from. They have it in a cosmic orange, and they have in many different other colors that you could choose from. But one thing I love about this case in particular is that it is a frameless and borderless material design, and which it allows the user to touch and feel the buttons that you can see onto the side, which I'll show you guys. So you can see it's exposed on the sides and right over here as well too, which allows the user to touch the buttons and feel it. It'll just, look very nice. And not just that, but you can see the color as well too. And it matches with my iPhone 17 Pro Max that's in deep blue finish. You can see here, one thing I also love about this case is that it has protection on your camera lens as well too. It comes with a MagSafe charger. It just feels very nice, the texture itself. And right over here, you can see, as I told you guys before, exposed right over here, it's a borderless frameless design. And, it allows the user to feel everything just like how a normal iPhone is. Particularly if you don't have a case on it, that's how it should feel like. And one thing I love about this case is that it's super lightweight, very easy to install. And other than that, I would definitely recommend this case if you're looking for a brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max case that looks very nice, it feels very nice. And not just that, but it's borderless and frameless. Then this one right over here is probably one of the best ones because of the fact that it is very super lightweight. It just feels very nice, and it also allows the user to touch and feel the buttons as well too. And it just feels like you don't even have a case on your iPhone. It just feels very nice when I hold it, and it's super lightweight. And yeah, I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for a new replacement or a new case for your iPhone. This one right over here is probably one of the best ones that you could get.